Dear RPA members, RPA professional practitioners, and RPA students, good afternoon. I cannot believe that we are already saying goodbye to an unprecedented, unpredictable, and a difficult year 2021 due to COVID-19 pandemic and spread of new deadly variants. And I cautiously and optimistically welcome the new year 2022. As the president of the Society of Professional Accountants of Canada, it gives me a pleasure to report that year 2021 was the most productive year for the society. We accomplished many tasks, achieved many goals in reforming RPA designation and reclaiming of RPA in a Canadian accounting profession. We successfully implemented Society's mandatory professional examination and its online review session in June and November sittings. I congratulate all those who wrote MPE and were successful to obtain Canada's premier accounting designation RPA with focus on small to medium-sized businesses. We successfully implemented the most advanced and comprehensive RPA practitioners certification program. I congratulate the new practitioner study program graduates who took advantage of public health restrictions due to COVID-19 and focused on their professional development to prepare themselves to better serve the public and the businesses. I am very pleased that the Society adopted the CSRS 4200, new guidelines for compilation engagements issued by the Auditing and Assurance Standards Board. Now RPA practitioners are well trained and ready to use CSRS 4200 when signing the compilation report for their business clients. I am thankful to the RPA Professional Practice Committee and RPA Professional Code of Ethics Committee for their hard work and dedication for making it possible to complete the development and implementation of RPA practitioners program on time. With the finalization of RPA prerequisite courses and RPA MPE, we provide the clear, up-to-date and relevant pathways to the RPA designation. I am confident RPA Canada is ready and prepared in welcoming the new students, new members, and new RPA professional practitioners in the year 2022. We are ready to serve the industry as managers and ready to serve the small to medium-sized business clients for their accounting, bookkeeping, and taxation needs. In the year 2022, our focus will be on student engagement and learning innovation in collaboration with the post-secondary institutions. In the year 2022, our goal will be RPA brand recognition through effective marketing and advertising campaign. We have come a long way in year 2021, and we have a long way to go in the year 2022. We must work together to make it happen. Please help us to do it better for yourself, for us, for our future generation of accountants, and for the promotion of accounting profession. As a final note, to all RPA members and students, please invest on yourself. Learn the new technologies, unlearn the old-fashioned working habits, and relearn the new guidelines, new trends, and new laws. Strictly follow the RPA Professional Code of Ethics to maintain the credibility and upsurge the trust of the public. Remember, we are accountable to our employers, our clients, and to the public. God bless you. God bless Canada. Happy New Year.